Hey guys, what's up? This is Peter James. Welcome to the part 2 of my PC restoration series. This video is about making my 10-year-old PC looking brand new again by having a new white minimalist case. It's all about my review of the darkFlash DLM22 case and also a little bit of PC assembly. Let's transform this old PC into a brand new looking PC. I'm excited. Let's begin! Cleaning the old PC, I noticed that it accumulated many dust for around a decade already. So I decided, why not change the case into a new one, huh? I like minimalist setup. And my tech YouTuber idol is Dave Lee, also known as Dave2D. His desktop setup is so good, so clean, pure white. I'm stunned. So this new setup is inspired from him. Shout out to Dave Lee. If you're watching this, then I will be very happy. Going back, I searched for a beautiful white minimalist case online, particularly in Lazada, the Amazon of Southeast Asia, and I found this darkFlash DLM22 PC Case. I like the minimalist design. Look at this, seamless. The top and the front part is one solid metal with no cut. It just flows and bends at 90 degrees. Blank with no ports, no vent, no design except for the logo at the front. I don't like having fancy designs, so this is perfect. But I wish there's no logo here though. At the top, there's the power button, the LED indicators, as well as the reset button, which is super small. Also, we can find here the USB ports, one USB 3.0 and two for USB 2.0, as well as the mic and the speaker port. The top part is compatible with 240mm water cooler or a 120mm case fan. On the left, we can see the inside of the case. This is made out of tempered glass. The door is a door type panel. I like it. It has a handle, so it's convenient to open, unlike the others wherein you are required to unscrew and screw again to open, which is a mess and time consuming. And also take note, the glass door can also be detached. How convenient! I will never go back to traditional screw mechanisms anymore. Opening this, we can access the cables, and also the bottom part, which will contain the power supply. Here you can also hide your hard drive or SSD. At the back, as usual, are for motherboard ports, vents for the case fan, wherein we can fit one 120mm cooler. Also here, it supports up to 4 PCI-e expansion slots and also supports for vertical bracketing. I also bought cooling fans for the case. No, these are not RGB, sorry. These are 120mm cooler fans. The 3 are white, 2 cool blue. I will put these fans later. I did remove the motherboard and the power supply from the old nasty dusty case and put it here in the new minimalist case. I cleaned again the CPU and the CPU cooler, so let's put again new thermal compound. Again, this is what I use, the MX4 Arctic. Link on the description box as well as the other products I use for the video. Remember to put new thermal compound every time you remove the CPU cooler. This is to ensure that there are no gaps in between the CPU and the cooler to avoid overheating. I will proceed to install the components. Then, let's install the GPU. This is not the super low-end GT710 that I installed on the previous video. That's super slow. Instead, I will now install the GeForce GT1030, which is faster than the 710. This is a used GPU though. Then install again the SSD. I will put it here to make it visible. Installing the two color blue fans at the top. The direction of the one is intake and the other one is outtake to have a convection airflow on my case. Then the two intake fans at the front. These are white colored fan. We will need to take this out, this front fan enclosure, to install these fans at the front. After installing, put it back. Then the last white fan will be here at the back. It will be an outtake airflow. I have a positive air pressure in my PC case, which means there are more intake than an outtake. This airflow configuration minimizes dust inside your CPU. I have 5 fans overall, 3 of which are intake and the other 2 are outtake. Now, let's have some cable management. And then, let's put back the glass panel. Like the video if you like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Check my previous video for the part 1 of this series, which can be found here. Thank you guys, see you in the next video, bye!